Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you that the Lord said, it's your faith. Your faith is cracking. And I know the reasons of it. Because I am an all-knowing God. I am an all-seeing God. You just normalize your day without me. And I don't want you to be like that. I want you to be with me in every day, trusting me, glorifying me, and praising me. I am not leaving you. I am not deserting you. And I will not forsake you. I will not leave you. I am here by your side more often than you know. You have an injury in your thoughts and in your heart. I want you to let go of the things that makes you weak. I want you to let go of the things that makes you sad. I don't want you to live in worry. Be awakened of who you are in me. Lose it. Do not tolerate it. Show confidence to me. Do not hide from me. Do not be discouraged. I will not fail you. I am just wanting you to learn from me. Because in me is more on discipline, more on testings, more on waiting. Be expectant in every day of your life because And every day there's a fresh hope for you. You are moving slowly, Beth. I will make you fast forward. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.